Hey there, welcome. So today we're diving into something that sounds a little nerdy at first, Guix OS. You might have never heard of it, but trust me, once you see what this operating system is doing differently, you're going to be genuinely fascinated. This is one of those hidden gems in the Linux world that more people absolutely need to know about. So let's jump right in. First things first, what even is Guix OS? It's a Linux-based operating system built entirely around a concept called freedom. Not freedom as in just open source, but deep philosophical GNU-level freedom. Guix OS is the official GNU operating system. That means it comes straight from the people who gave us the GNU tools, the same folks behind the Free Software Foundation. So right from the start, you know this isn't your average distro. Now, you've probably installed software before. You download something, it installs into a bunch of system folders, overwrites some libraries, and sometimes things just break. Sound familiar? Guix solves this with something called a functional package manager, also named Guix. Think of it like this. Instead of scattering files all over your system, each package gets its own completely isolated little home in a special folder called the store. Nothing overwrites anything else, ever. Here's what makes that truly magical. Rollbacks. Because every package installation is isolated and tracked, if something breaks after an update, you just go back. Literally, you roll back to a previous generation of your system in seconds. It's like having a time machine for your entire operating system. How cool is that? Most systems don't offer anything like this out of the box. Let's talk about the store concept a bit more, because it's genuinely clever. In Guix, every single package is stored under a path that includes a unique hash, something like /GNU/store/ABC123-Firefox-120. That hash is calculated from all the inputs used to build that package. So if two packages share the same inputs and build instructions, they literally share the same store path. Zero duplication, maximum reproducibility. This leads us to one of Guix's superpowers, reproducible builds. You define exactly what you want your system to look like in a configuration file written in a language called Scheme. Then Guix builds it. Someone else on the other side of the world can take that same config file and get byte for byte the same result, the same system, every time. This is huge for developers, researchers, and security-conscious folks. Let's talk about that configuration file. In Guix OS, your entire system, every installed package, every service, every user setting is described in a single scheme file. You're basically treating your operating system like code. This is called declarative system configuration. You say, here's what I want my system to look like, and Guix makes it happen. No more mystery files scattered across your drive. Now, Scheme might sound scary if you've never heard of it, but here's a fun fact. Scheme is one of the cleanest, most elegant programming languages ever designed. It's a dialect of Lisp, and Guix uses a version called Guile. Don't panic though. For basic system config, you're mostly just filling in readable little blocks that say things like, install these packages and enable this service. It's surprisingly approachable once you start. Guix OS also takes a very strong stance on software freedom. It only ships packages that are 100% free and open source. No proprietary blobs, no non-free firmware included by default. For some users, this is a feature, not a bug. If software freedom is important to you, Guix takes it more seriously than almost any other distro out there. It's endorsed by the Free Software Foundation itself. Let's zoom into something called profiles. In Guix, every user can have their own profile, their own set of installed packages, completely separate from the system-wide installation. So you can have your personal tools installed just for you. Your coworker can have completely different tools, and nothing conflicts. You can even have multiple profiles for different projects. It's like virtual environments, but for your whole desktop. Now, here's something that's going to blow your mind a little. Guix supports transactional upgrades. What does that mean? When you upgrade your system, Guix doesn't mess with the running system at all. It builds the new generation in the background. When it's ready, you reboot into it. If anything goes wrong, you just select the previous generation at boot time. The old one is sitting right there, safe and untouched. No corrupted upgrades, no half-installed messes. Let's talk about Guix as a package manager separate from the OS. You can actually install Guix, the package manager, on top of any existing Linux distro like Ubuntu or Fedora. So even if you're not ready to commit to Guix OS as your full operating system, you can still get all those reproducibility and rollback superpowers on your current system. Guix lives in your home folder and never touches the rest of your system. One of the things that makes GUIX genuinely exciting for developers is environment management. With a single command, GUIX shell, you can spin up an isolated development environment with exactly the tools and library versions you need for a project. When you exit the shell, those tools disappear. No conflicts, no leftover dependencies. It's cleaner than Docker for a lot of use cases, and it works seamlessly on the desktop. Guix OS uses a custom init system built-in scheme called GNU Shepherd. Forget systemd, Shepherd manages system services using the same Guile scheme language the rest of Guix is written in. You can write service definitions as code, inspect them, extend them. The whole system has an incredible level of consistency because everything speaks the same language. Guile all the way down. Let's talk about the community and where Guix fits in the larger picture. It's a GNU project, which means it has the backing and philosophy of the Free Software Foundation. The community is relatively small but incredibly passionate and technically deep. If you want to learn about how operating systems really work, how packages are built, how systems are configured, how reproducibility works, Guix is one of the best learning environments in existence. Now, who should actually use Guix OS? Honestly, advanced users, developers, researchers, and anyone who loves the idea of a fully declarative, reproducible system. If you're coming from Nix OS, you'll find a lot of familiar ideas, but with a scheme flavor. If you're a privacy-focused user who wants zero proprietary software, Guix is your dream OS. For pure beginners, there are gentler starting points, but Guix rewards curiosity. Let's address a common question. Is Guix hard to use? Short answer, yes, there's a learning curve. The scheme syntax is new for most people. The concepts of functional package management take a little getting used to. But here's the thing. Once it clicks, it's incredibly empowering. You understand your system at a deep level. You're not just clicking through a package manager, you're engineering your computing environment. Something worth knowing, Guix OS comes with a graphical installer now, which makes getting started much less intimidating than it used to be. You can install it on bare metal or in a virtual machine. There's even a system crafters community online, led by David Wilson, that has fantastic tutorials and a welcoming audience for anyone learning Guix. The ecosystem is growing. So let's bring it all together. Guix OS is a new Linux distribution built around the Guix functional package manager. It gives you reproducible builds, atomic rollbacks, declarative system configuration, and total software freedom. It treats your entire operating system like a piece of carefully managed code. It's powerful, principled, and genuinely unlike anything else in the Linux world. If there's one thing I want you to take away from this video, it's this. Guix OS isn't just an operating system. It's a philosophy. It says your computing environment should be reproducible, transparent, controllable, and free. In a world where software is getting more complex and more opaque every day, Guix is pushing hard in the opposite direction, and that is worth paying attention to. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep exploring.